Hello YouTube friends, are you looking to find out how to change the oil and filter on your Mark 6 Fiesta with a petrol engine? If you are, stay tuned, this is for you. Now this job is best done when the engine is warm. Take the car for a short drive, at least 5 miles, get the engine properly warm. Then when you bring it back, raise the front of the car. As you can see, I'm using caravan ramps which I put behind the wheels and reverse the car up the ramps. Now you will need a fresh tub of oil because the oil capacity for this engine is 4.1 litres, so you need to make sure you've got enough. It needs a 5W30 oil to Ford specification WSS M2C 913B. In this case, this is a semi-synthetic oil. These cars came out of the factory with semi-synthetic. You could change to synthetic if it's a relatively young car, but some people believe that you should never change an old engine from semi to fully synthetic. I'm using a MAN filter W7008. Your local motor factors will have a lookup chart and will be able to provide you with another make. Now the last preparation from up top, I always remove the dipstick, which in this engine is at the front, and the oil fill cap, and always give it a little wipe. Also though, check inside the fill cap. Just make sure that there's no mayonnaise or any signs of water in the oil, or any severe sludging up. Underneath the car you'll need a 13mm socket to undo the sump plug. Obviously, as you're undoing it, make sure you've got your drain pan right next to it. Once you've loosened it with a socket, you should be able to undo it all the way by hand quite easily. And make sure you've got a cloth handy, because you are going to get it on your hands. Up at the front of the engine here, you can see the oil filter, and I'm using a filter removal tool to loosen it off. Just loosen it enough with the tool so that you can get it with by hand. Now I do not recommend stabbing the filters with a screwdriver in order to get them off, because I have known people have a problem getting filters off, and if you've stabbed it and you still can't get the filter off, then of course you can't refill your car and you can't drive it to a garage or somewhere else to get it repaired. Now you can see why I like these wide open oil drain pans. While the oil's still draining from the sump, I can undo the filter. Oil will drain from there. Let the flow subside, wipe the excess off the filter with a cloth and remove it the rest of the way. On the new filter, always wipe round the rubber seal with a little bit of fresh oil. Just dip your finger in the can or use oil from an oil can, and then screw the new oil filter on, hand tight only. Wipe up all the excess drips. Sump plugs on these have a rubber washer built right in, so before you put it back, make sure that that's in one piece and intact. The oil drain is reduced to a drip like this. You can put it back in. Wipe away the drips and any excess oil from around the plug hole. Tighten up the plug. Hand tight. And now, once the sump plug is tight and the oil filtered back on, simply refill with 4 litres of your chosen oil. I'd recommend using a funnel. The fill hole on the engine is only just over 1 inch across. Fill up with only 4 litres or a smidgen under, and then once the car's been driven again, we'll check and top up the oil at that point.